Hi everybody, welcome back to the Freaking Jeep Garage. This is kind of a special edition video. I've had a few requests from subscribers about the CX Racing intercooler kit that I put on a couple years ago. They had questions and asked me if I'd make an update video. So that's what I'm going to do. The kit I put on is still available as of this video, I believe. The kit itself comes, it's pretty fair, it's a fairly good quality kit. You get intercooler and piping, and now with the age of our Jeeps getting up there, you're going to start seeing more and more failures. I've already had on one of my other Jeeps, on the white one, I had the pipe actually blow out, the factory silicone pipe blew out near the muffler up front, the intake muffler. It made confetti out of it. They're only made for, to take so much abuse. And I've been running a tune, so I'm running more boost than what that stock system is set up for. With that in mind, I have seen other failures now with like intercoolers. They have plastic tanks on them. They're starting to split out at the seams. They're starting to crack with the age, and especially if you're running a tune where you're running more boost than the factory setup, it's very possible that you're going to end up with an issue. The CX Racing is an affordable, fairly quality replacement that you can put on any Jeep. It doesn't matter if it's stock or boosted. As for reliability, since I am running quite a bit more boost than the average stock Jeep is, or even some other tune, I had problems with the 3-ply boost pipes, silicone part. The aluminum, that'll take it all. The couplers, the silicone couplers, they're only 3-ply, and they didn't hold up for me per se. I have all of them on there except for one. I've had to replace one of the elbows. It developed a hole in it about size of my finger, and it didn't cause any real drivability issues. It just, when I got hard on it, when the boost was up there, I could hear it hissing away. I replaced it with a 5-ply because I don't want to have another problem with it. I actually ordered both sides. I only replaced one. I have the other one on the shelf because at the time the one came that I needed and the other one was still in shipping. I had the time to do it, so I did that one. I'll wait until the other one fails. I've got the spare part on the shelf. The rest of them have held up so far. I can't say that they won't blow apart either, but they've been holding up well. That's really the only complaints I have about the kit. And as for performance, the only real performance that I've noticed that might be different is I believe that the boost pressure, or the boost, comes on quicker, more firm, because there's no ballooning effect from the silicone pipes that were on there. I think the intercooler is a similar size to the factory one. You're just eliminating those failure points. I do think that the intercooler is pretty free-flowing, just being aftermarket. The factory one actually flows pretty well too. Cooling effects, I honestly, from what I've watched, I haven't seen any difference, but who knows, maybe it is at certain points, whether you're towing or driving it hard. I don't really pay too much attention to it. As for my experience with it, I'm pretty happy with the kit. Like I said, I've had to replace a couple of things, a couple of clamps and, a silicone boot. But other than that, the whole thing has been reliable. I haven't had to do anything with it other than those couple of minor repairs. Would I do it again? Absolutely. I like to get rid of failure points, and I felt that the stock system has more failure points than the CX Racing one. So if you want my advice, go for it. If you're on the fence, well, you can wait till you get a failure and then figure out what you want to do. But $650, it's a pretty cheap kit, and it works. With that in mind, I am going to get back to fixing other stuff, but I want you to make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, build it bigger, better, faster. Just build it. Bye.